Join me as I dive into the future and try to predict which programming skills will be in demand by 2025. When it comes to programming skills, staying informed about the latest trends is crucial. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and being aware of the skills that will be in demand can give you a significant edge in the job market. In this video, we'll explore the programming skills that will be in high demand by 2025, so you can start preparing yourself for the future. Staying ahead of the curve in the tech industry can be a daunting task. Technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and it's becoming increasingly difficult for professionals to keep up. The skills gap is a real challenge that many of us face, and it can be overwhelming to know where to even start. The truth is, the tech industry is moving so fast that even the most experienced professionals are struggling to keep up. With new technologies emerging every day, it's hard to know which skills are worth investing time and energy into. The pressure to stay current is intense, and it can be tempting to just stick with what you know. But the reality is, if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. The skills gap is also driven by the fact that many of us are stuck in our ways. We learn a set of skills, and we stick to them because they're familiar and comfortable. But the tech industry doesn't reward comfort, it rewards innovation and adaptability. The truth is, if you're not constantly learning and pushing yourself, you're not going to stay relevant in this industry. And that's a scary thought, especially for those of us who have invested years of our lives into our careers. So, how do we bridge this skills gap? How do we stay ahead of the curve in an industry that's constantly changing? The answer lies in being proactive and intentional about our learning. We need to be willing to adapt, to learn new skills, and to take risks. We need to be open to new ideas and new technologies, even if they make us uncomfortable. And we need to be willing to invest time and energy into our own development, even when it's hard. In the next few years, we're going to see a huge demand for skills related to AI, machine learning, and cloud computing. These technologies are already transforming the way we live and work, and they're only going to become more important in the future. As a result, programming languages like Python, Java, and R are going to be in high demand. We're also going to see a growing need for professionals who can work with big data, the Internet of Things, and cybersecurity. These are the skills that will set you apart in the job market, and they're the skills that will give you a competitive edge. But it's not just about the technical skills. As the tech industry continues to evolve, we're going to see a greater emphasis on soft skills like communication, collaboration, and creativity. We're going to need professionals who can work effectively in teams, who can communicate complex ideas to non-technical stakeholders, and who can think outside the box. These are the skills that will make you a valuable asset to any organization, and they're the skills that will help you stay ahead of the curve. So, what are the most sought-after programming skills for 2025? First and foremost, you're going to need a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. You'll also need experience with cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. And finally, you'll need to have a good understanding of AI and machine learning principles, including data science and machine learning algorithms. These are the skills that will open doors for you in the job market, and they're the skills that will give you a competitive edge. In this video, we've covered some of the most in-demand programming skills for 2025. From AI and machine learning to cloud computing and cybersecurity, these are the skills that will set you apart in the job market. Remember, the key to success in the tech industry is adaptability and continuous learning. Don't be afraid to take risks, try new things, and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which skills are you interested in learning more about? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on tech trends and programming skills.